Let's take everything we've learned and piece it all together. If I have the monomial 12, a squared b on top, and 4, a squared b squared c on bottom. Just like with everything else we've done with monomials, we're going to do it in two sections. We're going to start with the numbers. We will reduce 12 over 4. The greatest common factor of 12 and 4 is 4. So 4 goes into 12 3 times. 4 goes into 4 once. Then we're going to take a look at the individual variables. We're going to take a look at our a's. We have a's in common. To reduce or divide variables, we take top minus bottom. So a squared, a to the second, minus a to the second, or in other words, a to the 2 minus 2. We're left with nothing. So the a disappears. For the b's, we're going to take b to the first minus b to the second, and we get b to the negative 1. The c has nothing to reduce with. There's no c on top, so the c stays on bottom. And we're done. There are other forms to this answer. For example, we could have done 3 over 1cb, or we could have done 3b to the negative 1, c to the negative 1 over 1. Now, why these other two answers are also correct will be explained in Chapter 4, Section 6, where we talk more in depth about negative exponents. But just real quick, if you remember correctly, I said 1 over x is equal to x to the negative 1. So the quick way to understand this, or the easy way to think about this, is if I move this b to the bottom, the exponent sign flips. So if this b is negative when it's on top, if this exponent is negative when it's on top, if I move this b to the bottom, the exponent becomes positive. If the exponent is positive on bottom and I move it to the top, it becomes negative. That's the easy way to explain it, but it doesn't explain why that's happening. And there is a reason why, and I will explain it in Chapter 4, Section 6, Negative Exponents.